What's up, everybody? My name's Jason. Today we are going over how to vote in Project Catalyst. Once you have downloaded the app and registered successfully, this green bar will show up at the top of your app. At the bottom of the screen is your dashboard, challenges, my selection, and casting the votes you've casted. Use the Challenges tab to find the Catalyst proposals that you wish to vote on. You have to use the exact name of the project. For instance, I support Ada Cafe and I voted on it, but when I search for it, it doesn't show up. I need to use the exact way that they wrote their name, which is with this little figure. So when I search for it, there it is, and you can see that what they're asking for and whether or not you have voted for it. Now, going back to the Challenges tab, if you were to select this Catalyst Natives Cody Play, you can see the projects they have underneath this umbrella. And what's really important to note is that these stars and reviews are peer reviews on the project that is being proposed. So you can go in with a little confidence knowing that 13 advisors have gone in and decided that this was a good project. So I am going to pick one that I had been looking at, which was the Odo plugin. And since I've already read it, I'm going to go ahead and click the thumbs up to vote. Once you do that, a new pending vote will go to your selections. So when you click on your selections tab, it takes you right here. And this is where you hit cast my votes to send your vote into the ether. Put in your password and confirm. Boom, you are done. You can go and check out the votes that you have cast already by going to the Cast Votes tab. And that's it. Simple as that.